If you're searching for the best SOP software for your ops or IT team, you've probably already noticed that the options range from write everything yourself in a wiki to pay $30,000 for a platform your team won't even use. We've tested 6 of the most popular tools so you don't have to. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what each one does well, where each one falls short, and which one is actually the best fit for enterprise ops and IT teams in 2026. Before we get into the tools, let me tell you what we use to evaluate them, because the right criteria matters. For enterprise ops and IT teams, we looked at 5 things. 1. Speed of creation. How long does it actually take to document a process? 2. Accuracy. Does the documentation match what's really on screen? And does it stay current? 3. Adoption. Does the end user actually follow the guide or ignore it? 4. Enterprise features. SSO, SCIM, role-based access controls, security, the things IT will ask about. 5. Integrations. Can it connect to the tools your team already uses? ServiceNow, Confluence, SharePoint, your AI agents. Let's get into it. Scribe is a workflow AI platform that automatically creates step-by-step guides by capturing what you do on your screen, where you click, what you type, what you say, and turning that into a formatted SOP with annotated screenshots in seconds. You don't write anything, you just do the process. For ops and IT teams, the standout enterprise features are auto-redaction of sensitive data during capture, SSO via SAML, SCIM provisioning, and deep integrations with ServiceNow, Confluence, SharePoint, and AI agents via API and MCP. Beyond creation, Scribe has Sidekick, which surfaces guides automatically in the browser as employees work, and Guide Me, which overlays step-by-step instructions directly onto any tool in real time. For IT helpdesk reduction and software rollout adoption, these are the features that actually move the needle. Who it's best for? Enterprise ops and IT teams who need to create and deploy documentation at scale, fast, and who need the documentation to actually be used, not just filed. Verdict: best overall for enterprise. Confluence is Atlassian's wiki and knowledge management platform. It's excellent at organizing and storing documentation with strong permissions, versioning, and deep integration with Jira. Where it falls short, Confluence doesn't create documentation for you. Every SOP has to be written manually. For teams that already have well-maintained, up-to-date content, Confluence is a great repository. For teams that need to produce documentation quickly from live processes, it's a blank page. Who it's best for? Teams already inside the Atlassian ecosystem who need a place to store and organize documentation and have the bandwidth to write and maintain it. Verdict: great repository, poor creation tool. Notion is a flexible all-in-one workspace with wikis, databases, and project management. It's extremely popular and powerful, but at enterprise scale, that flexibility becomes a liability. Without strong governance, Notion documentation gets disorganized quickly. Like Confluence, Notion requires you to write everything manually, and its enterprise security features, while improving, still lag behind purpose-built enterprise tools on SSO depth, SCIM support, and audit logging. Who it's best for? Small to mid-sized teams who want a flexible, affordable workspace and are willing to invest time in building and maintaining their own structure. Verdict: better for SMBs than enterprise. Manual creation is the core limitation. ClickUp is primarily a project management platform that has added a docs feature. The docs are functional for basic documentation, but they're not the core use case, and it shows. You won't find auto capture, guided user experience features, or deep documentation-specific tooling here. Its strength is as an all-in-one platform. If your team wants project management and documentation in one place, ClickUp delivers that. Who it's best for? Teams who prioritize project management and want documentation as a secondary feature in the same platform. Verdict: adequate for documentation, not specialized for it. Trainual is purpose-built for SOPs and employee training. It has strong structure for organizing role-based training programs, tracking completion, and onboarding new team members. The UI is clean and purpose-designed. The limitation: documentation is entirely manual. You write everything. There's no auto capture from live processes. For large, established teams with dedicated L&D resources who want structured training programs, Trainual is solid. Who it's best for? Teams building formalized training and onboarding programs with dedicated time to write and maintain content. Verdict: good structure for training, manual creation is the bottleneck. Process Street is a process management and workflow automation platform. Its strength is turning recurring processes into repeatable, trackable checklists with conditional logic, approvals, and workflow integrations. It's less focused on static SOP documentation and more on live process execution. For ops teams running recurring workflows with approval chains, it adds real value beyond a standard SOP tool. Like all others, except Scribe, documentation requires manual writing. Who it's best for? Ops teams who need workflow automation and checklist-driven process management, not just static documentation. Verdict: strong for workflow automation. Complements rather than replaces a documentation tool. Here's the quick summary. If you need to create documentation fast, keep it current without manual effort, and actually get it used by your team in the flow of work, Scribe is the only tool on this list that does all three. If you need a repository to store and organize documentation your team has the bandwidth to write and maintain, Confluence is the best option for Atlassian native teams. If you need workflow automation and checklist-driven process execution, Process Street is worth evaluating alongside Scribe. If you're in a smaller organization without enterprise security requirements, Notion or ClickUp may be sufficient. Trainual earns its place if you're building structured training programs with dedicated L&D resources. But if the question is, what's the best SOP software for an enterprise ops or IT team that needs to move fast and actually get documentation used, the answer is Scribe. If you want to see how Scribe works for your specific ops or IT use case, book a demo with our team. We'll show you the full enterprise feature set and help you build a rollout plan. The link is in the description.